Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This video is a little different. As you can tell by the title, we are at the end of the year. We're starting 2024. Of course, your girl decided she wanted to do a gratitude video. This was more for me to sit back and see what I have done this year, how far I've come this year, and how I should be grateful for what I've done. Now, I just want to start off by saying I love y'all. My videos collectively have had over 90,000 views. 90,000 people have seen me. I go to Walmart and don't even think I really get seen unless I got a camera. Like I blend in. I don't get seen. I'm not one of those who get seen. So that is crazy to me to think. And I have over 650 plus subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. I don't think you realize it. Like I said, I'm quiet. I don't get seen. I sit in the shadows. The fact that's crazy to me. So I just wanted to do a video and put everything in perspective for myself as well. But not only that, but I've done a lot this year, been through a lot this year, have said a lot this year. So whether you're here because of Wegovy, Security Plus, or just my vlogs in general, for me living here in a boring town, I appreciate you. Whatever brought you here, I'm glad it brought you here. I appreciate you. I rocks with y'all. Alright? This year, I've grown more than words can express. I'm finally becoming myself at the age of 34. And as I said in my Dating Over 30 video, everyone must walk their own path and there is no such thing as a late bloomer. I'm in a space now where I can love my mind, body, and soul to the fullest. I understand that I must do what it takes to make me happy. I stepped out of my comfort zone this year with my career, my living situation, and my love life. I still can't believe I just packed up and moved 6 hours away from home and then kissed the ground when I made it back home. I went apartment hunting and put in job applications, all to manifest the life I deserve. This year, I made new friends, reunited with old ones, and maintained current friendships. I'm so blessed to have people in my life who support me, my dreams, my goal, just my vision in general. I appreciate my friends so much, more than words can express. This content creator journey has not been easy. My YouTube channel is just now growing into itself as well. For a while there, I just wanted to post videos. I didn't know what I wanted to say, I just knew I had to say something. Every time I think about quitting, I just remember that there are people who are watching, rooting for me, taking notes, and I'm inspiring them. I've legit had people that I do not know reach out to me for advice on how to create content. And honestly, I'm still floored by this. So for 2024, we're standing on business. We're practicing gratitude and manifesting. I know we've all heard this before, but somehow I forgot. I forgot that I am magic and that my energy carries across time and space. I forgot that only I can change my life. Others can help me, but ultimately it is up to me. I no longer want to be bound by fear or anxiety. My new journey includes yoga, meditation, eating better, fasting, and working out. I want to be the best version of myself. I can't pour into others until I pour into myself first. As we move into the new year, I wish you nothing but success. I wish you success in your career, in your love life, in your personal lives. I wish nothing but sold out and fully booked on everybody listening to this. There's enough out here for us all to eat, and I want us to chow down. I wish to pass this energy on to your families and your friends. I want to see us all living our best lives and doing well. So, lovelies, I can't wait to see you in 2024, and I'll see you there at the top. Take care.